is April 1st, so as many of you know, that means that we have a new digital kit releasing today. This is a huge kit. It is 60 pages, and we collaborated with CollageType. She has a little Etsy shop, and she is so good at what she does, and we absolutely love her style. As always, if you want this kit, you can get it by either subscribing or buying the kit flat out on our Etsy or on our site. And either way works, but we will have more information on that in the description of this video. I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before, but the subscription is a cancel anytime kind of a thing, and if you have any problems, feel free to reach out to me and we will get it worked out as soon as possible. Some other fun things include that we have lots of tutorials using the items from this kit. We have a Facebook group where the community can post and answer each other's questions, and of course more ideas on our other social media platforms. If you want this kit, everything is linked in the description of this video. And without further ado, let's get into the preview of this beautiful kit, Woodland Wonder. My favorite thing about this kit is just the color scheme. I think it is beautiful. There are so many colors, and a beautiful warm brown is kind of the base color. And there are huge varieties of elements that you're going to get in this kit. And we're going to start by taking a look at the paper collection in the kit Woodland Wonder. The papers are always one of my favorite things to talk about. We have a pretty good mix of vertical facing papers and horizontal facing papers, so you can have a little bit of both. There's also a huge variety of colors, patterns, textures, size, and of course we have some neutral papers as well. Moving on to the next portion of the kit, we have double pages, and double pages are kind of these pre-made pages that can be folded in half and act as already pre-made journal pages, if that makes sense. And then of course we also have a cover for you guys, and this right here is the cover, and it just makes it a little bit easier to make a fun journal. One really cool thing about this kit is it has the most amazing variety of envelopes ever. So many different sizes, patterns, and shapes. So first we have these smaller envelopes, coin envelopes, and this bigger one, and another big one. I just love the different shapes of envelopes that are included in this kit, and colors and patterns and textures. It all is just so beautiful. I literally love them so much. I've already played with some of them and they are fantastic. I would spend a lot longer talking about the envelopes, but I'm super excited to show you guys some of my favorite smaller tidbits from the kit. First and foremost, we've never done anything like this, but we have these gorgeous letters. I think they're beautiful and so much fun to use in a kit. And then just a variety of other tidbits that are great to use as layering pieces, and they just make a big difference in a kit. Moving on, we're going to take a look at some of the tags, and some of these pages do have other things other than tags, but that's just because we like to fill this space and not waste paper. So here are some medium-sized tags. These are some of my favorite. And we have some small tags. Those are great to use throughout your journal. It's good to have a good size variety. These are also absolutely gorgeous. They're kind of like ticket tags. I think they're so cute. And you'll notice some really fun elements on this page, as well as this page. Too much fun. All right, moving on, we have some pockets in the kit, as well as some journaling cards. I kind of just threw this into one section for you guys. So starting off the bat, we have some wavy pockets and some extra tags thrown in there. By the way, if you see those little white tabs on the side of the pockets and you don't want to use them, you can just cut them off. These are some fun file folder kind of journal cards, some slanted pockets, some layering pockets so you can stack them on each other or just use them on their own, and one of my absolute favorite pages from the kit. Just take a look at that. I love it. Next up, we have some kind of random miscellaneous things that we need to get out of the way, and they are so beautiful. First up, there is this folder, and this is going to be so much fun to put into a journal. We also have a smaller folder right here with some other elements on that page. 2 pages of fussy cuts. These ones are the smaller ones, and these ones are a little bit bigger, but of course you can always print and resize them how you want. Another folder and some faux washi tape that will just be really fun to use in a journal as well. And finally, I saved the best for last, and I'm going to show you guys some of my absolute all-time favorite pages from this kit. So first off, a page of ephemera with some birds and butterflies, some stamps and postage elements, some more kind of postcard vibe stuff, and another gorgeous page of ephemera. I love these pages. And that wraps up our preview of the Woodland Wonder Junk Journal kit. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. I have already played with them and they are gorgeous. The journal I'm making is turning out perfect and I'm really excited to see how it goes. If this kit is your style and it speaks to you, then remember that there are two ways to get it. If you want to save some money, then I recommend the subscription option. The monthly kit club is a cancel anytime subscription, so there's no worries there, and you can always email me if you have any troubles at all. And the other way you can get it is by purchasing the kit on our Etsy or on our site. Again, I'll have everything linked in the description of this video, and it's going to be a fun month, you guys. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video.